In this episode, Lori does her best Sir Mix-a-Lot impression.
I like big butts and I cannot lie.
And does a pretty good Taylor Swift.
Love.
No worries, Steve. Nobody wants to see that. Not even me.
Don't show 'em my skivvies. What you got on your shoulder there?
Oh no, what do I got on my shoulder?
That looks fashionable.
It is. It's all the rage in Disney World.
Yeah, you see everybody walking around with those. So in order to get that, you have to spend $60 worth of stuff.
It's the purchase.
Yeah,
Purchase with the purchase or whatever it's called.
And then it's $20 for the backpack itself. So, and that's a big backpack.
Yep,
We might even take that to the parks tomorrow.
And I wasn't leaving this bubble without it.
Yeah, well, we definitely spent $60 worth of stuff. It's merchandise, that's for sure.
Yep.
And the good thing is you don't have to do it all at one purchase. You can get like 20 here, 20 there, as long as you keep your receipts.
Yeah.
Keep your receipts, and as long as it adds up to $60, then you can go and get that for 20.
Yep.
All right, well, we're gonna head back to the resort right now. Try to do a little laundry if there's a available washer and dryer open at Pop.
Maybe go to
We might go back out, or probably, it's pretty busy everywhere right now, so I think we'll just use this as our laundry night, avoid the crowds, try to do some laundry, and we'll get more done. We'll get more done later next week. So
yeah, after people go back to school.
Yeah, get out. No, I don't know. But really, get out. But we're going to do laundry, so we don't have to do laundry later in the week. But you know what? We might have to, again.
Well, we might, because we're going through clothes like crazy.
Yeah, we're going through 2 sets of clothes a day right now because it's so hot.
All right.
And we're doing 2 showers a day.
Yeah.
All right, we're going back to Pop, and we're going to eat and laundry. All right, we're going to show you the less luxurious side of a Disney vacation. The laundromat. And since we're over in the 80s and 90s section, there is a laundromat over on this side of the resort, so that's the one we're going to be using. And isn't there an app that you can check?
Yeah.
There's an app that you can check to see how many washers and
laundry at whatever your resort is, and then you can look for it.
So yeah, you can tell like how many open washers or open dryers are available, so you don't have to come down here just to check and waste your time when they're all full, because I've done that before.
Okay.
Nobody look at my skivvies.
Okay, so you gotta pay for it. I think you can get away with 2.
2 loads?
And so here's another trick, if I can find it.
Don't show them my skivvies.
Oh, I'm gonna show them. No.
Captain Underpants.
Pack your own junk because it's expensive. So.
Yes. Oh yeah, let me, you can get it in the vending machines. How much is
But
it?
it's gonna be more expensive.
Takes Visa, MasterCard, Discover. How much? It says $1. And that's good for one.
Yeah.
That's good for one load.
So just bring your own.
Much cheaper.
So yeah, just bring your. So what washers are we? We are 7. There is no. I can't believe this. Last time we did laundry, I had to wait an hour.
Yes, but you know what? Everybody's at the parks right now. But see, the parks are so crowded for us. We're just going to come back and do some laundry. It'll save us some time. We don't have to fight for a laundry machine.
We're on 17, right?
Yes, 17. Are we doing 18 too?
Yeah, hold on here.
So what you do?
Add washer.
You just click the one that you want to turn on. It's $3 a load, right? Is that what it is? Okay, so $3 a load, and you can charge. Can you charge to your room?
Make sure. No. Oh, I have a pod. So.
You just toss it in.
Toss it in. And then.
Tide pods, but any old pod will do.
Or you can bring your own laundry soap, but I prefer pods.
It's probably just easier.
And I'm not going to disclose. I will not disclose how I got these or these.
She stole them.
No, I did not. I did no such thing. But if you want your clothes to smell good, I'll put some of those in. Okay.
What are those? I don't.
They're the smelly, unstoppable things. Things we just. It's unstoppable. It makes your clothes smell good.
Oh.
It's not dryer stuff. Okay, fabric's on there. Okay.
I never use that myself.
I know you don't.
That's why she hates it when I do it. All right, just tell me when you want me to hit.
Okay, hold on. Okay, don't watch me putting our personal effects.
Our unmentionables.
Yes, our unmentionables.
Nobody wants to see that.
I don't want to see it.
Sock down, sock down.
Okay.
Oh, that is the ultimate view right there. That I'm going to make that our thumbnail for the video. That'll make people click. Look at this butt.
I like big butts and I cannot lie. You other girls can't deny.
Actually, I was thinking in the. I was thinking in the Nemo musical. Wow, that's. I'm going to touch the butt.
Okay, now what do I do?
Well, put it on the cycle you want, right?
There it is. Reselect cycle. Okay.
And we're off. So now, and it tells you like how long.
It says 34 minutes.
34 minutes.
That's fine.
So we'll come back in like 40
Whenever
minutes or
we're
something.
done.
Yeah, we'll come back when we're done eating, and then we'll do the dryer cycle, and that'll take an hour, right?
Yeah. There's a trash can here somewhere, right?
But you know what? An hour or two in the laundromat beats having to pack all kinds of extra clothes. You know?
Yeah, but who wants to do laundry on a vacation? But
Yeah, sometimes it's an evil necessity. But there you have it. Laundry at Pop Century. Brought to you by
Disney,
Lori?
Ohio.
Yeah.
Otherwise known as Steve and Lori, Jillian and Allison, but you're not here.
And it's right by the laptop computer. Oh, is
Right
it raining? Is it going to rain?
Yes, it's going to rain.
Oh yeah, well, I want to put the camera away. It's not water resistant. Alright, so we're at Everything Pop Food Court. Pop Century's Food Court. And we're on the dining plan, so I got the chicken parmesan with Alfredo sauce. It comes with two sides, so the two sides I got were green beans and house-made chips. These house-made chips are amazing. I love these things. Anywhere that I go on, that they have them on property, I try to get them. And then also if you're on the dining plan, since we stay here, we get the resort mugs, the refillable mugs, and you also get a drink with it. So I'm going to take this bad boy back to the room and I'll have it later, because you know how I love my pineapple Fanta. I get that all the time.
Heyo!
So we're here in Everything Pop Food Court, as I stated before when I showed you my meal and how I'm progressing with the food. And again, try those house-made chips. They're really, really good. What did you end up getting though, Lori?
I got a chicken cordon bleu and I thought it was grilled, but it's fried.
Fried. Oh, it's probably the same exact chicken that
Probably,
they
but
use.
I thought it was grilled, but that
whatever. Then I just decided since I carved out already, I might as well just finish it off. But anyway, I got fries and pasta because the other option was coleslaw.
Not a coleslaw gal.
I like my mom's, but and I do want to say hi to the Zimmerman family. They stopped me inside the food court here, and super nice family. Hi, Becky. And they're here for 2 weeks. I'm so jealous.
I'm jealous.
I know. And they did ask Jillian and Allison where you were, and I had to sadly tell them you were home.
Well, not exactly sadly.
No, of course we are. But anyway, we really...
but we miss you, Jillian and Allison.
We do, but the Zimmermans are really, really nice, and I hope that we get to see them again in the park. It was a lot of fun talking to them.
And I was over here, I didn't know what was going on.
I kind of went missing.
I didn't know what was going on.
It was kind of funny because I had a cast member take a picture and people were looking around.
Like, who are you?
Yeah.
They're like, nobody.
But it was really nice meeting you guys, and thanks for stopping me. What's really funny is Steve and I were coming back from Epcot, and we were walking to our room, and we saw a family wrapped in towels like they'd been at the pool, and they stopped and they looked, and I was like, what's going on? And they looked again, and then there was security there, and I looked at Steve, I'm like, is this family like running from security or something? I didn't know.
I didn't see anything myself. I was oblivious.
But it was funny because they're like, oh yeah, we saw you guys. We were just at the pool, and I was like, oh, that's you guys. I was like, I looked at Steve, I'm like, what are they looking at? So anyway, it was super, super nice, super great meeting you guys. It was awesome. I'm very excited. They said hi. I love it when people who watch us say hi, because that's why, seriously, that's why we do this.
Yeah,
right?
make friends.
Make friends. So we have.
Well, and share experiences, share tips, share, whatever we can to make maybe somebody else's trip a little bit better.
And easier. Right?
Yeah.
So, yep. So hi, Zimmerman.
Just spreading the Disney love.
That's right. Love. All right, we're gonna eat.
All right. Enjoy your chicken cordon bleu.
My fried one.
I want to enjoy it. Now they have pineapple Fanta over there, so.
That's what you were showing me.
What? You didn't see that?
I didn't really.
That big yellow highlighter.
I was waiting on my food.
Yes, that loveliness.
Oh boy, you're excited.
Yep. All right.
See ya. Bye.
Yep, we got to go back and check our laundry. All right, so we're back, and our washing is done, right? Now we just need to dry it. That means we got to come back. But we just met the nicest family, Zimmermans, right?
Yep.
Becky, Jason, Noah, Nick.
Parker.
Noah and Nick.
Mason.
Parker and
Emma.
Mason and Emma. Okay. See,
Right?
I even got.
Say it right. Becky, Jason, Parker, Noah, Nick, Mason, Emma.
What do you mean? How is that saying it right?
No, you said it right, but I said it right too. I was doing it before, so I can remember. It was really nice to meet you guys.
Yes.
And now we're doing laundry.
Yeah, we could have talked to them for a long time.
God,
Just like us, they're huge Disney fans, and they love to talk Disney. So we were talking to them for quite a long time. And sorry, we were keeping their little one Mason away, or keeping him asleep. He was really tired. So
I actually felt really good.
yeah, poor guy. He was falling asleep at the table. But you know what? That happens when I start talking. People start going to sleep.
Yes, they do. So, okay. So, I'm going to maybe open this at some point. Steve has to go pay for the dryer.
Okay. Which one are we using?
I don't know. So I brought dryer sheets too.
That saves a little bit. What do you want to do? 11 and 13 or 13 and 15?
13 and 15.
13 and 15. All right.
Yep.
The fabulous side of vacation right there.
It says 60 minutes.
All right. We're going to watch this in real time. I'm just going to be here for 60 minutes watching the clothes tumble.
Not exciting.
Yeah. We'll put it up in a 3-part video. We'll break it up into 20-minute sections each.
So here's my
I'll do some long shots and then I'll get some close-ups. Long shots and then close-ups.
You'll see, my bag's been around for a long time. It's completely beat up. But
you know, they make
never take this stuff out of it.
they make other new Ziploc bags. You can.
It's the same one we've had forever.
All right.
Hey.
Come back in an hour.
Yep, Steve's coming back in an hour to get it.
I probably will. Lucky me. So the funny thing is Becky was talking about she met Krista of Girl Meets Neverland. We can go all the way down to the.
Okay.
Either way, doesn't matter. 6 of one, half of a dozen of the other, I always say.
Do you now?
Yes, I do. But Becky said that they stopped, or they saw Krista from Girl Meets Neverland in the pop food court in the exact same spot she saw you. So it was kind of funny, and Krista gave them a shout out in their video, and one of their videos, and said we call them the food court family. So we're gonna call you guys the food court family too.
And we're your food court family now. So.
Well, they are and forever will be known as the food court family.
The Zimmerman. They should get shirts.
And was it Nick? Was it Nick that said that they should start their own YouTube channel and call themselves the food court family? I thought that was a great idea. Noah, okay. I thought that was a pretty good idea.
Yeah. I'd watch it.
Absolutely. If you do that, let us know. We'll definitely subscribe and we'll watch you guys. That's awesome.
Definitely.
Everybody else. Oh, no. That's why everyone actually knows me and no one wants to see Floppy. Now, Cindy, my picture. Did you get it?
Yes.
Beautiful. Now, girl, don't make better decisions, all right? This is not a good decision.
Can I get one with you?
Yes, you can, guy. Guy, come here.
He is fabulous.
You'll like this one.
Oh my God!